story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include parking assist system, technology package, luxury package 3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, panorama sunroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2018 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, power retractable running boards, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, adjustable pedals, security system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.